All right, your boy, he that trades. So this is going to be part two of me documenting my journey on becoming a venture capitalist, utilizing the Forex market and turning the Forex market into my own personal bank with the help of self-trading robots that utilize AI. So as you can see here, I've got secure the bag version 6.3 on US30 H4 time frame. This is here. That's the account balance. Here's the account balance. This is a funded account, hence it says one step funded account. It's a RAND account. It's a funded account with Comet Capital. Comet Capital is a prop firm, a South African prop firm that utilizes RCG as their brokerage. So whenever you take a prop firm challenge with Comet Capital, you'll get funded. Yeah, yeah. You should see the car that did the motherfucking shit. Yeah, but anyway, so yeah, that shit was loud. Absolutely lovely too. But anyway, um, yeah, so Comet Capital uses two brokers, Space Markets as well as RCG Markets. So whenever you choose between the two, it'll either say Space Markets or Comet Capital. I mean, or RCG Markets, right? So I've made a withdrawal here, 4,100, and you'll see it here. Withdraw balance withdrawal minus 4,100. I won't lie to you, on this prop firm account I'm not profitable. Like I literally lost 2,000 so far. So my profit that I'm netting for today is 602, which is so I think I'm done for the day. I'm done. I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm done. Fuck it, I'm done. So yeah, man. So this is part two. I'm going to showcase to you the reason why I draw my chart the way it is and the reason why it looks the way it is, what indicators I use, as well as the things that Forex gurus, your favorite Forex gurus, the reason why they charge you fucking hundreds of rands or to even thousands of rands to purchase their course or mentorships and things like that. Excuse me. Whole time, the shit that they teaching you, the shit that they asking you to learn from them from and pay for signals, etc. It's all free. Real talk, it's all free. Like I've got an indicator. This is a trend catcher indicator that you can download on mql5.com. This is the trend catcher. These red and green dots. Then I've got a basic supply and demand, which I use for my currencies, so that I know that okay, whenever the market retests that zone, we are selling. Yeah, but whenever the market reaches the zones, we are selling. We are selling, and that's what we've been doing. We've been selling since we reached this area. We've literally been selling. You get me? So that's for Great British Pound USD, and then for USD JPY, whenever we have this supply here, we buy, we buy, we buy. You get me? So even has the pips along with it as well, to showcase to you that okay, if you buy from here, you're making 8.3 pips in profit, etc. Even the timestamps as well to showcase that okay, by 5 o'clock you should close your trade because that's the predicted projection that it will hit 153.75 rand dollars to the Japanese yen. So those things you end up seeing with like, oh, if I had a signal trading group, I could send a signal to say buy USD JPY, take profit at here, and stop loss below this area. You get me? I could literally do that and charge people a hell of a lot of money and make a whole lot of money, but at the end of the day, that's not real forex, because then I'm not making money from trading forex. I'm making money from people purchasing my signals, purchasing my courses, from people paying me to provide a service to them. You get me? So that's something that I'm against, truth be told. And plus, I mean, if you have robots, bro, like these are robots that I'm still in the testing phase. So these are my potential robots that I can make. This one is already in there, as you can see, it's there as well, and it's here. Yeah, well, so anyway, I'm gonna open up because I only got 15 minutes. I got 10 more minutes. until this recording cuts off again. So I'm gonna open up a blank canvas for US30 and then showcase to you the reason why I'm gonna put it alongside this one, and I'm showcase to you the reason why I draw my chart the way I do. So take that out, change the colors, bar up basically green, bar down red, bull candle green, bear candle red, and then go to the daily. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my horizontal line, and then put it on at the bottom and then put it at the top. If we weren't here, I would put it at the next high point. So basically at the top high point and at the bottom high point on a daily or weekly time frame. Depends on you, right? And the strategy, and then you put it in the middle. You find the median, right? And this way of analyzing, I learned it from this series called Industry. It's also a like Wall Street type thing, and then there's this student who learns from their mentor how to analyze, and then their mentor learns how to analyze like that from their mentor, and their mentor learned it from their mentor. It's just generation of passing down knowledge. So kind of like in the kung fu movies, you'll see that we pass down the legendary sword of the dragon warrior, for example, in Kung Fu Panda. You know what I mean? Like it's been passed down generation to generation, but this is for Wall Street, this is for Forex, this is for how to analyze. So basically, now that you have that, you come again, top, bottom, you find the mean, and then you analyze, and you do the same thing. So you just watch me do, because I struggle to multitask. Anyway, that's a joke. The series is called Industry, by the way. Very graphic. It showcases the drug life and how like money really truly works at Wall Street. Not the Wolf of Wall Street is like the entertainment side of Wall Street, but this one like showcases you like abuse, even like the money laundering, how they cover their losses, etc. So it's a series. It's got 3 seasons. Recommend, highly recommended if you want something to watch. Very, very recommended, highly recommended. So the mentor, while the mentor was teaching this girl, it's a black girl actually, how to analyze and draw these charts like this, he told her that by doing this, and if you do it correctly, you'll find something that is truly remarkable, because he said that every single instrument, whether you're trading currencies, trading metals, trading stocks, indices, crypto, they all have their own market structure. So basically, when you are drawing your trend lines, your support and resistance lines, you might be finding um, a trend, right? An uptrend. And then the market ends up breaking that uptrend. And you're like, oh, we broke that uptrend. And then it comes back into that trend. And then you're like, okay, let me redraw my trend line. Let me redraw my support and resistance lines, because the market isn't respecting them. That's because, number one, the way in which you're not analyzing according to how the market moves. Get me? Like a car. A car has a particular way in which it functions, as well as the way in particular in which it moves, right? The engine moves a certain way, the wheels move a certain way, the steering wheel, etc., etc. So once you've done that and you drew it correctly, you can drop down to a 4-hour time frame. And then this is where the magic happens, because now you end up starting to realize what this guy was saying is that once you do it correctly, you end up finding that by doing this support and resistance lines this way, it reveals like a domino effect. It opens up a perspective that you didn't think that you didn't know that you needed to see. So basically, anything below it is a resistance, anything above it is support, right? That's basic. But now, how do you validate that this is a support, this is a resistance? Check this out. I'm gonna start at a 4 hour time frame. Even now, let me go in daily. Let me just daily. So we'll start here, right? The market came in, hit this area. Green candle hit the resistance area. Red candle followed through, closing below it, thus pushing down. We closed this green candle above it, came back up. Anytime we broke the resistance, it had to be with the green candle because the green candle is bullish. So we're going to the upside. Anytime we break support, we break it with the red candle. So whenever there's a green candle and a red candle that's below the line, that's a valid support. Anytime there's a red candle and a green candle on top of the line, that's a valid support. Anytime there's a green candle and a red candle below it is a valid resistance. And this goes on through every single time frame. So I'm on a daily, look at it. Green candle, red candle, below it, resistance. Red candle, green candle, above it, support. Green candle, red candle, below it, resistance. We broke through a resistant area with a red candle. We broke through a support area with the red candle. We broke through a resistant area with a green candle. We closed above it with the red candle and a green candle next to it. Green candle pushed up. We broke support, we broke resistance with the green candle. Green candle, red candle next to it, resistance. Red candle, green candle on top of its support. Green candle, red candle on. You get what I'm saying? You can do this throughout. Let's just go on to a 4 hour time frame to even validate this even more. Right here, we broke red candle, came down red candle, green candle above it, support, we've pushed up. Green candle, red candle below it, we closed. Resistance, we go down. Hey, how are you? Good, good. Akafika namhlanje. No, no. Really? Yeah. Why? Yeah, I don't know. Right, sorry, that was yeah. Anyway, so even on 4 hour. So whenever we break resistance, it has to be with the green candle. Whenever we break support, it has to be with the red candle. Same thing here. We came up, green candle hit the resistance, red candle followed up, we went down. Support area, green candle. Whenever there's a green candle, we're always shooting up. Whenever we're above it, as long as it correlates, red candle, green candle, we push up. Red candle, green candle, we push up. Red candle broke through, came back, red candle closed below it, we push down. So right now, that's the reason why I say I'm done for the day is because I don't want to trade in between this. You get me? So that's something that I learned from the industry movie, right? The industry series. So with this guy, the manner in which he said that this is how you analyze for support and resistance, it would lead to you noticing something else. So now I know that, okay, if I change the graph from a candlestick to a line chart, you then start to see, okay, valid support went up, false breakout came back in, we then go up. On this is nothing more than a false breakout to the downside, liquidity grab came up. Same thing here, massive liquidity grab. Same thing, you end up finding those patterns. You're like, holy shit, okay. You go down to a 1 hour time frame, same thing applies. We went up, green candle, red candle next to it, below it, push down. Green candle, red candle below it, push down. Red candle, green candle above it, we push up. Red candle, green candle, 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 push up. Green candle, red candle, push down. But we didn't push down further enough, because here, if you go further and do this whole thing, you end up realizing that, oh, okay, there's another one there, there's another area there. So you find that the reason why the market is slowing down area here isn't because it's consolidating. It's because on a lower time frame, there's a support resistant line at that area. Same thing that happened here. Same thing that happened here, right? You find the middle. So you see that the gaps are roughly the same, and you end up like it's ridiculously insanely accurate, bro. And here it is: green candle, red candle, close below it, we push down. Red candle, green candle, red candle, close below it, we push down. Like it's beyond insane. I'm like, holy shit. And this works for all time frames, works for all currencies, all indices, all instruments on the Forex market. So this is part two. I hope you enjoyed it. And then part three, I'm gonna start I'm putting on my indicators. So yeah, yeah. Shout out.